Hey everyone, how is everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. All right, guys, so we do have the theme for the September Yes Oh Yes box. Now, first, I'm going to tell you the theme, and then I'm going to show you the spoilers that we already know about. But first, before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup-related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. But make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell. That way you're notified of every video I upload. Now, guys, to read the first comment on my last video. Congratulations, Summer Breeze Young. Summer, you made it first again, babe. She says, hi, girlfriend. How are you? Love ya. Well, Summer Breeze, I'm doing good, and I appreciate you asking. And I really appreciate you having that bell on. You're really on your game with making it first, girl. And I love you so, so much. And if you want a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this video. You could either be a pick comment or you can be the first comment as long as you got your bell on. All right, guys. So the theme for the Yes Oh Yes September box is, now get this one, y'all. I knew this one took them forever to think of. It's Yes Oh Yes. Y'all believe that? I bet that took them forever to think of that theme. Anyways, the spoilers, the first thing is the Lancome waterproof eyeliner. Now, it looks like a gel pencil with a smudger on the other end. I like them pencils. The next thing is the Ivy Beauty Poolside Palette. And the next thing is the Z Skin Age Defying Extreme Moisturizer. And then the last thing is going to be an Urban Decay item. Now, that item is not specified, so we still don't know what that is. But, of course, as soon as they reveal that, I will update you guys. Now, to read the pick comment on my last video, y'all. Congratulations, Betty Boop Wolf. Betty says, I made it first, Mandy. Well, Betty, it actually showed a comment that slipped right before yours, I'm assuming. But just in case it's my analytics messing up on my YouTube page, I went ahead and picked your comment. Because you know what? I know you got your bell on and you tried really hard. And I'm so proud to have you a part of my family. And I love you so, so much, Betty. And remember, guys, if you want to get a shout out, leave a comment on this here video. And Yes Oh Yes is linked below if you do want to go check them out. Now, I do have a code for you to use at SelfTaught Beauty. That is in all caps. That'll get you 10% off of your first box. So I make a little itty bitty commission and you guys get a discount. So I feel like it's a win-win for both of us. And guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then, guys, if you would, rate the video for me. Give it a thumbs up. Don't even pay that thumbs down button no mind. It quit working a long time ago. You know, YouTube's kind of slow about that. It really only just shows engagement. But it also shows me what you guys are liking. So, guys, one more thing before you head out and before you do, no, it's going to be after you do those other two things. But this is YouTube's fault. You blame them. They want you doing 20,000 different things. If you would, go ahead and turn that bell on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss none of these spoilers. Again, I feel like I got to apologize because of YouTube. Anyways, I love you guys so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.